Constantly paranoid, can't trust nobody but myself. Surrounded by niggas that plot on me, I live in hell. I'd rather stay in bed, fuck relations, I admit. Romance is in my bed. It seems like everybody praying that I fail. Nigga, I'm in debt cause every month I'm paying bail. I can't trust these niggas or these hoes either. She thinks she essential, but I don't need her. I'm breaking the law, 6:30, I'm on, forgetting my songs. Up against the wall, she gon' take it off my D2 bombs. Now my bag on. Said she tired of my music and it's the last song. Dreaming about an I-8, Matt Black, the baby blue. I was drunk as fuck, she called me up, what did I say to you? I been tryna die young, throw it up in light one, white runs. Yeah, I like guns, we don't fight none. Expensive habits, I'm on a different planet. Pray all night, with 7 Xanax, hoping it make me vanish. We live lavish, so dramatic, might speak a little bit of Spanish. Magic, whoa, constantly paranoid, can't trust nobody.